If you're looking for the best dashcam in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dashcams that offer 4K recording, night vision, parking protection, and smart safety features to keep you covered on the road. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800, Best Premium 3-Channel Dashcam. The 70mm 4K T800 is a high-end 3-channel dashcam with front, rear, and interior recording. It records at 2160p plus 2160p plus 1080p, uses Sony's STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, and supports up to 512GB storage. You also get Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE connectivity, ADAS, and 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam is designed for drivers who want maximum coverage and premium features. The 4K video quality is outstanding, even at night, thanks to HDR and STARVIS 2 technology. The ADAS system helps with lane departure and collision warnings, while 4G LTE allows remote monitoring. Pros: excellent 4K video quality on front and rear, STARVIS 2 sensor with strong night performance, 3-channel recording for full protection, Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE support, reliable 24-hour parking surveillance. Cons: expensive compared to standard dashcams, requires hardwiring for full parking mode features. If budget isn't a concern and you want the most advanced dashcam of 2026, the 70mm T800 is an excellent choice. Number 2. BOTSLAB 3K 4-Channel, Best 360-degree all-sides coverage. The BOTSLAB 3K dashcam features 4-channel recording with a 560-degree all-sides view. It includes a 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, voice control, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. A free 128GB memory card is included. This dashcam is perfect for drivers who want complete vehicle coverage, including blind spots. The touchscreen is responsive, setup is simple, and the voice commands work surprisingly well. Its parking mode ensures 24/7 monitoring when hardwired. Pros: 4-channel recording with near 360-degree coverage, touchscreen and voice control, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, includes free 128GB SD card. Cons: video quality slightly lower than true 4K models. Larger design may block some windshield view. The BOTSLAB 3K is ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, or anyone who wants full visibility around their car. Number 3. 4-channel 360-degree dashcam, Best Budget Multi-Camera Setup. This 4-channel dashcam records 4K on the front camera and 1080p on 3 additional cameras. It features IR night vision with 8 infrared lamps, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking mode. A 64GB SD card is included. For the price, this dashcam delivers impressive coverage. The IR night vision performs well inside the car, making it suitable for taxi and rideshare drivers. The app control is simple, though not as refined as premium brands. Pros: affordable 4-channel system, IR night vision for interior recording, 5 GHz Wi-Fi and mobile app control, includes memory card. Cons: app interface could be smoother. Build quality feels average. If you want maximum coverage on a budget, this 4-channel 360-degree dashcam is a solid option. Number 4. Vantrue N4S, Best Night Vision Dashcam. The Vantrue N4S is a 3-channel dashcam recording at 2.7K front, 1440p interior, and 1440p rear. It uses dual STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, IR night vision, and supports up to 1 TB storage. Vantrue is known for reliability, and the N4S excels in low light conditions. The Plate Pix technology improves license plate readability even at night. Voice control and GPS add extra convenience. Pros: outstanding night vision performance, supports massive storage up to 1 TB, strong build quality, voice control and GPS included. Cons: no memory card included. If night driving or nighttime parking protection is your priority, the N4S is one of the best choices. Number 5. VIOFO A229 Plus, Best Dual Channel Value Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Plus is a dual-channel dashcam with 1440p front and rear recording. It features dual STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and ultra-precise GPS. This dashcam delivers excellent image quality and reliability at a more affordable price than triple-channel models. It's easy to install, compact, and perfect for everyday drivers who want strong front and rear protection. Pros: excellent video quality with STARVIS 2 sensors, compact and discreet design, accurate GPS tracking, good value for the money. Cons: no memory card included. So, those are the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. If you want premium features, go with the 70mm T800. For full vehicle coverage, the BOTSLAB 3K is a great pick. If night driving matters most, choose the Vantrue N4S, and for the best value dual camera setup, the VIOFO A229 Plus won't disappoint. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.